Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors LLP property channel. In this video, you will watch the 1535 SFT 3 BHK flat east facing in Ncc Urban One. Location is Narsingi. It is total 22 acres project. After 22 acres, total 1300 apartments are coming. 12 blocks. This flat is available in Tower 8. Available floor is 7th floor. You are watching, this is complete tower finishing stage is there. It is ready to move flat. This is one customer's flat. He has two flats in the community, but one for sale. Price excluding registration, Corpus, maintenance 1 crore 30 lakhs. Little bit negotiable on the price part. Interested buyers, please call us on below number. The sales number is displayed on the display at the bottom. You can see this is total community view. This is the main entrance of the flat. You can see, and it is total 1535 SFT east facing flat. Very grand entrance. 4 feet width and 8 feet height. You can see this is the corridor, 10-feet corridor. It is very wide corridor. In Ncc 1535 SFT, it's a straight hall. You can see, yes, this is the straight hall. 3 bedrooms, 3 toilets, 1 kitchen and 1 utility is there. There's a very big balcony which is open to the towards Kokapet, Gandipet reservoirs. You can see this is the balcony. And nothing will be a future obstruction to you, because now you can see there is already construction has happened. G plus 5 floors towers has constructed. You can see the greenery. There are roads and small buildings are there. G plus 5. This flat is available in 7th floor. This is the view we will have the permanently to this flat. This is inside the community amenity space and setback area in the Ncc Urban One. You can see this is complete very big sliding door. Yes, this is the master bedroom. The beauty of this flat is every corner of the flat is completely ventilated and there is no darkness in one single corner. You can see the view. It is very beautiful. All washrooms also are standard size, and they given the complete tiles from bottom to top in the wet area, and all the fixtures and sanitary also top grade material they have given. And yes, you can see this is the kitchen as per fire and safety norms. Accordingly, as per safety norms, there's a fire pipeline also is there inside the community, inside the flat. This is the kitchen. It has L shape and other side small platform. This is the LPG pipe connection link is there inside flat. Other side, this is small platform. You can see this is your utility. In the utility, there is a piped gas connection meter. According to your usage, you will get the your power bill, gas bill. Sorry. Kitchen also is very big, not small. And here, one wash basin they have given near to the dining area. And this is one bedroom. You can see the view. It is in heart of the Narsingi city, but it is looking like outskirts view because it has very open view towards the greenery. And this flat is elevated a little bit from the tower. You can see 100% privacy you have to this flat from your bedrooms also. This is attached toilet to this bedroom. The price is 1.3 crore excluding corpus and maintenance. Interested buyers, please call us on below number. It is very beautiful flat. And this side view flats are not available, very less. This is the opportunity to a buyer who is looking to buy in Ncc Urban One Narsingi east facing flat, which has the open view, your balcony and bedroom, two bedrooms, master bedroom and other bedroom also, which have the very beautiful view outside, and every day you will enjoy that beauty. Thank you very much for watching this entire video, and please subscribe our channel. If you are interested in this property, please call us on below number. Thank you.